This is Helen, and today I'm going to show you how to use ruler and compass only to draw different types of polygons and angles. So let's take a look at the questions. So the first question is that construct the angle bisector of angle BCD with a ruler and compass. So let's draw here, right? And first we draw the angle. There can be any angle. This is point C, this is point B, and this is D, right? And then we have to draw the angle bisector, so we have to use the compass. There, we use C as the center, use the compass, and draw an arc which intersects to line CB and line CD. And the intersect points are X and Y. And now we use the same radius we just before used it, and let X be the center. Draw another arc, and then Y as be the center, another arc. There also be intersected points, yes, and we said that it's a use ruler to construct line CZ. And this is the angle bisector of angle BCD. Alright. Now the second question is construct an angle of 60 degrees with a ruler and compass, and how to use it. That's right here, and we can use the method like how to draw an equilateral triangle, because all of the equilateral triangle, its interior angles are all 60 degrees. So let's begin. Okay, well, this is point O. Point O as the center. Use the compass and draw a big arc. You can find any point on the arc. We just call it A. And construct line OA. And then we take point A as the center and use the same radius to intersect this arc. Now here point B is created. And then we construct line OB. And this is 60 degrees. So angle AOB equals 60 degrees. And that's the second question. And the third question, we have to construct an angle of 30 degrees. So how many 30 degrees equals 60 degrees? We can see that half of the 60 degrees is 30 degrees, so we have to draw another angle bisector. And we use the method in first question. Let O to be the center and make an arc to intersect to OA and OB point X, point Y, and also take X to be the center, another arc, Y to be the center, the second arc, point Z, and then construct line OZ. And this is the angle bisector of angle AOB. As a result, this angle and this angle are equal. They are 30 degrees. And now this is the third question. Let's follow the fourth question, said that construct an angle of 15 degrees. And we can see that 2 15 add together equals 30 degrees. So we have to draw another angle bisector right there. Again, take point O as the center and make an arc. There's 2 points. Let's say that C and D. And use the same radius and take C as the center to draw an arc. And D to be the center and draw another arc. And there can be a point, let's say that is Q. And then we construct OQ as the angle bisector of angle AOC. So the result, this angle equals to this angle, and they are 15 degrees. So that's the first fourth question. And we turn the page to single page, right? Alright, the fifth question is said that to draw a regular hexagon. A regular hexagon is that it has 6 equal sides. And so let's start it. First, we have to draw a circle. Right, this also point O to be the center, and make a whole circle around him. Alright, and we find any point on the circle side. Also, we said that is point A. And then we turn point A to be the center and use the same radius and intersect to form point B. And also the same methods on point B to find out point C. And repeat this process to find out point D, point E, and point F. And finally, we construct all the lines together through the points. And this is the regular hexagon. So as a result, AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DE and equals to EF. All of them are equal. And also equals to FA. 6 equal sides. So that's the 5th question. And let's take a look about the 6th question. It said that construct an angle of 75 degrees. So well, let's think about what makes a 75 degrees angle. 60 degrees plus 15 degrees equals 75 degrees, isn't it? So we have to draw 2 equilateral angles there as the same method we just before, like this. Point O as the center to make a big arc. Any point on it as point A. And also repeat the process to find point B. And construct them as line OA and OB. So this is 60 degrees. And how to find out the 15 degrees? Don't remember the 4th question? How we find out this angle? Alright, so we have to draw another 60 degrees angle and draw 2 angle bisector. And then we base on line OB. And we can make this arc longer. Alright, and B as the center and find out point C. And construct line OC. So angle BOC equals 60 degrees, and we have to bisect it. Well, also let O to be the center again and make a smaller arc. Intersect to OB and OC. X, Y. Repeat this process. There, point C, make a line. This is the angle bisector of BOC. So as a result, this angle equals to 30 degrees, and half of 30 degrees is equal to 15 degrees. So we have to draw an angle bisector again, just right there. And then O as the center again, make a smaller arc again and intersect to line OB and OC. Let's say that is HNI. And then H as the center to make arc. Just the process like how to draw an angle bisector. And also I to make an arc. Right there. The intersected point. Let's say that is Q. And make a line OQ as the bisector of angle BOC. So as a result, this angle equals to 15 degrees. Because we said before that 16 degrees plus 15 degrees equals to 75 degrees. So angle AOQ equals to 75 degrees. this angle. Yeah. So let's take a look about the last question, maybe the hardest one. It said that construct a regular 12-side polygon. Oh well, that's interesting. And we have construct a regular hexagon before, and it has 6 equal sides. So if we divide it into half, it will have 12 sides then. So first we have to make a regular hexagon again. Make a circle. This is point O. And find a point on it, so that's A to be the center, to find B, and also C, D, E, and F. Alright then, construct them. Alright, this is the hexagon, and then we have to measure the side. It's 5 centimeter, and half of the 5 centimeter is 2.5 centimeter, just behind it. And then use the compass again. The radian is 2.5 centimeter. Yeah. Alright. And make arc. There, we set point 1. And let A to be the center, the same radian. Point 2. And also point 3, and repeat this process again and again. Finally, point 6, and then construct it then. Now we construct a regular 12-sided polygon. We can measure it. 2.5 cm, 2.5 cm, and also 2.5 cm. So as a result, all of these sides are equal. This is a regular 12-side polygon. And that's it. Thank you for listening.